I'm gonna show you how to change the Heritage Spa hot tub filter. At the moment I'm draining it. It's located here. I pull out the house. Okay, so you need to find the filter, what is in the skip. What you need to do, just pull the cover up. Then you can see the filters under this. Pull this out. Then you unscrew the filter and pull it out. There are two. Then you need to soak it, clean them. You can do with some tap water or pressure washer, but just carefully. It hasn't been cleaned for a while. You can see how dirty it is. So I hope this video was helpful. Please subscribe onto my channel and you can find useful things here. Thanks for watching.